So hi guys, my name is Nachiketa and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be discussing what's the right time to take the GRE exam. Before starting, if you're new to this channel, do consider subscribing because I'm going to be putting a lot of videos regarding higher education, and if there's anything in specific that you want to see, do leave that in the comments. Now when deciding when to take the GRE exam, there's a lot of aspects to consider. First thing is, which program intake are you targeting? In all universities, if you're applying for higher education, there are gonna be broadly two semesters. First is the fall semester and the second is the spring semester. Now fall semester starts around August or September, while your spring September starts around January or February. Now there are a lot of programs which do not offer a spring semester, so whichever university you're targeting, whichever program you're targeting, be sure to check which intake they're taken. So if you just want a one-line answer and you want to skip this video, the answer is that whenever your college has intake, for example, if it's in August for fall, it's in January in spring, ideally 1 year before your intake, you should have been done with your GRE exam. So let's say for fall intake, by August, it would be great if you're done with your GRE exam. And even for this, there are a lot of aspects to consider, and let me tell you why I feel so. So for fall intake, right, most colleges will have their deadlines in around November, December, January, even February and March for some colleges. However, you want to apply as early as possible because all colleges have something called as the early deadline or the priority deadline, right? So I remember specifically, say for UT Austin, the priority deadline is as soon as October 15th, right? A lot of colleges will have it even in November and December, so you have to apply early. If you're applying for the spring intake, there will be most that colleges will have their deadline in August, September, October. Most colleges will have in this frame. Some colleges can go as late as November. December is very rare. So even for this, you have to apply as early as possible to increase your chances of scholarship, right? If you apply before the priority deadline, you will have a higher chances of securing a scholarship. Now another important aspect to consider is when to give the GRE if you're a student or if you're a professional. So let's say a student, you're doing your engineering, right? You might be in your first, second, third or fourth year. If you're in your first or second year, I would not recommend you think about the GRE. I would just tell you to build your profile and have fun in college. You also have probably a lot of stuff going in college. Maybe you're aiming for internships or projects, stuff like that. So it takes 2 months of serious prep, right? So if you're ready for that, you can think about it. But the ideal time would be in your second semester of your third year, right? When you're nearing your summer vacations in say around May, June, July, that would be the best time to give your GRE. The reason I'm telling you to be done with your GRE in say June, July or August is because when you give the GRE, there are lots of things that can go wrong, right? For example, you might not be satisfied with your score and you might want to apply again, right? And you might need another month of prep, right? And GRE is a very small aspect of your application. You do not want to be wasting a lot of time into that. A lot of the application process is going to take a lot of time drafting your statement of purpose for every college, right? You have to make sure your LORs reach the college in time. There are many things that can cause a delay, right? That's why it's better, even if you can do it before June, July, it's up to you, right? So now even if you're a student, right, I would recommend do this in your 6th semester if you're aiming for masters directly after undergraduation. If you're a student who's aiming to get some work experience before, I would say study for your placements in summer vacations, and once you get placed, then take out 2 months to give your GRE exam, because if you're getting some work experience, that's fine because the GRE exam is valid for 5 years. And even if you're a professional, it's upon you when you want to give it. Again, the general thing is 1 year before the intake, you should be done with your GRE. Now, even though I've said you should apply by August for say the fall intake, even if you're someone who's giving your GRE in November or even December, that's fine, right? It's just that while working on your GRE, side by side, you have to manage your entire application process, right? So if you're studying GRE in the morning, say in the evening, you're drafting your SOPs and you can still get it in the deadline by time. It's just that if you want to ensure a very smooth process, which will probably cause you a lot less stress, then August would be the right time to have been done with your GRE. Similarly, for if you're targeting for spring, the year before January, February, if you can get your GRE exam done by then, that would be great. So that was it for this video. If you did like this video, do consider subscribing to this channel. If there's anything else you want to see, do leave that in the comments, and see you in the next video.